Implementing Redundancy Analysis with Neural Networks. Authors Fernando Llanes, Alejandro Medina, and Juan Trabuco from Universidad Metropolitana in Venezuela. In this work, we verify the equivalence between redundancy analysis and a neural network architecture proposed by Warren Searle in 1994. The redundancy analysis presented by van den Vollenberg in 1977 is an asymmetrical case of canonical correlation analysis and aims to maximize the redundancy index of Stewart and Love by finding the redundant components that maximize the squared correlation between each redundant variable and all of the response variables. In order to verify such equivalence, we use as base the works of Müller in 1981 and Vader-Claude and Cronenberg in 1984 that reformulated the redundancy analysis as multivariate multiple regression and proved that maximizing the redundancy index is equivalent to applying the least squares between the response variables and their estimators. However, as opposed to Searle's assertion, the redundancy components cannot be found simultaneously with the neural networks because it is not unique the set of vectors that maximizes the redundancy index without maximizing the individual correlations. Thus, we propose a sequential searching of the components and a cost function that depends on the previous vectors found, while still being equivalent to maximizing each correlation. To test our model, we generated synthetic data as multivariate normal with zero mean and the identity as covariance matrix. We found that the matrix formed by the redundant components from the neural network not only maximizes the redundancy index, but is less than 0.005 units away with the Frobenius norm from the matrix found by the regular redundancy analysis. We hope this work can be applied to the new expansions of redundancy analysis that have happened the last couple of decades, and that it helps to build one more bridge between artificial intelligence and statistics.